This one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yo!
So Yash is the intern for Team Tangible, a group of 4 MIT engineers who build robots that can do your house chores. And he just ditched 2 weeks of school to fly from Boston to San Francisco, all because Bipasha convinced him to.
Well, he begged me to join the company.
Why did he beg you?
Maybe just my aura.
Dude, she's dropping out of her PhD at MIT to do this. That's like end goal, you know, that's like where you want to be. To say no to that, like you know that what comes next is going to be 10 times better.
Making a personal robot for every single human being is just the next.
It's what now?
It's the next. It's the next future. I mean, it's the...
When I studied under her, she trusted me with the hardest problems. And so when she asked me about coming to SF in the middle of my semester, I had to trust her.
My goal is simple. I've always wanted to build robots. At MIT, I built one of the most dexterous humanoid interfaces, which is why I knew I could do it. So 2 months ago, I dropped everything to start Tangible. Right now, we are putting robots in hotels because that's more of a controlled environment. But our vision is to make robots tangible for everyone.